Welcome to Appium Training by Wisdom Trainings.
Now to download and install Appium, just go to the official website of Appium, which is appium.io. Right, first you have to install the desktop client and then you need to download the jars. So you click on this download Appium link and download the exe for your OS and install it. Fine, like for Windows you can install this one, right? And when you install it, after that it will look like this icon will come up. You can start it and you will get a screen like this. Fine, not this, but the welcome screen looks a little different. Just a minute. Okay, it will look something like this. Alright, now this is the host. 0.0.0 means local host and the port number is 4723 on which the Appium server runs. Appium server, there is a server associated. Fine, it should run on the local host. Okay, now you can change this port number, but preferably just let it be like this. Now after that you have to download the jars. Okay, to download the jars of Appium you have to have Selenium as well as Appium, because Appium is built on top of Selenium. So first of all you need to download the Selenium jars. For that you have to go to the official website selenium.dev for Selenium, and over here go for the WebDriver download, and the stable version is this. Selenium 4 is there in the market, but it's not stable, it's an alpha version. So just go and download this one, you'll get the jars. Okay, and like I have kept, I can keep it, you'll get a single jar file. Alright, and this is the standalone jar file. Okay, and then after that you just keep the jar file. I'll just hold on. Okay, let it download, and then you need to download the Appium jar file as well. Okay, appium.io, go over here and go to downloads section and click the Java option, and from here you can download the Appium jar as well. Okay, so under downloads I have this Selenium standalone jar file. I'll take it. Now just keep both the jar files together somewhere in the PC. Fine, just a minute. So this is the Appium jar file you will get. I already have it. Along with it you keep the Selenium jar file. Okay, and now the installations are done and the jar files are there. Okay, so now you can start writing some code. Okay, in Eclipse the DDMS is showing the phone, so just switch to the Java perspective. Okay, and go to File, New, Java Project option, and I'll just type it, launching Appium. Okay, just a minute. So that's fine. Alright, and include the jar files in this project, both the jar files. So right click on the project and go to the properties and go to Java build path, and under the libraries tab you import both the jar files. Alright, now one thing guys, make sure JRE system library 1.8 is selected over here. Okay, right, now once this is done you are ready to write the code, and the next thing is that you have to understand the desired capabilities. Okay, that is what is desired capabilities in Appium, writing the first Appium code. Alright, so we have done most of the stuff out here. Okay, we have downloaded the jars. Okay, and we have downloaded and installed the server as well. Now let's start the coding part to write code which will launch an APK, the Make My Trip APK. That I'll cover in the next part.